Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Genius is fueled by enthusiasm. Be like. Genius isn't always about having the biggest brain in the room. Sometimes it's simply about being ridiculously curious, excited, and willing to keep learning. In other words, genius is fueled by enthusiasm. 1. The curious genius. Be like, wait, why does that work? Listen, curiosity encourages you to investigate instead of simply accepting things. 2. The gamer genius. Be like, one more match for research purposes. Listen, enthusiasm can motivate people to practice, experiment, and improve. 3. The bookworm genius. Be like, I'll read one chapter, 3 hours later. Listen, genuine interest makes learning feel enjoyable rather than force. 4. The creative genius. Be like, what if I combine these two ideas? Reason, enthusiasm encourages creative experimentation. 5. The science genius. Be like, let's test it. Reason, experiment about discovery encourages experimentation and learning from results. 6. The music genius. Be like, I just learned one note. Time to become a superstar. Reason, enthusiasm keeps practice enjoyable and motivating. 7. The coding genius. Be like, why is the code broke? Okay, now I really want to know. Reason, interest in solving problems can turn frustration into persistence. 8. The question machine. Be like, why, and reason, asking thoughtful questions can deepen understanding. 9. The hobby genius. Be like, it's just a hobby. Suddenly, they know 400 facts about it. Reason, passion naturally encourages people to explore subject deeply. 10. The practice champion. Be like, I'm not perfect yet, but I'm having fun improving. Reason, enthusiasm makes consistent practice easier to maintain. 11. The failure learner. Be like, oops, that didn't work. Interesting. Reason, positive attitude toward mistakes can turn them into learning opportunities. 12. The idea collector. Be like, another idea, put it on the list and explore. Reason, enthusiasm people often generate and explore many possibilities. 13. The history nerd. Be like, you want to hear historical facts. Reason, passion can inspire deeper research into fascinating subjects. 14. The problem solver. Be like, this puzzle is annoying and I must defeat it. Reason, enthusiasm can provide persistence needed for challenging problems. 15. The inventor. Be like, I have an idea. Reason, excitement can encourage people to turn imagination into experiments. 16. The learning addict. Be like, I learned something new today. Reason, enjoying learning create motivation to keep developing skills. 17. The team genius. Be like, your idea is interesting. Let's combine with mine. Reason, enthusiasm can make collaboration more productive and enjoyable. 18. The explorer. Be like, I wonder what's over there. Reason, curiosity and excitement encourage exploration and discovery. 19. The question asks. Be like, I don't understand it yet, so teach me. Reason, being comfortable asking questions can accelerate learning. 20. The passionate chef. Be like, just a little seasoning, suddenly 5 ingredients appear. Reason, enthusiasm encourages experimentation and creativity. 21. The fitness learner. Be like, I want to understand how this works. Reason, interest encourages people to learn techniques instead of simply repeating them. 22. The artist. Be like, it doesn't have to be perfect. Let's create. Reason, enthusiasm can reduce fear of experimentation. Kindly like, share, subscribe. Gracias.